Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're giving your nails and cuticles the love they deserve with a product that promises to hydrate, soften, and repair. If you've been struggling with dry, brittle nails or rough cuticles, you may have found just the solution you've been looking for. We're talking about Pacifica Beauty's Vegan Collagen Cuticle Balm, a nourishing balm designed to tackle those nail care concerns while being kind to your skin and the planet. Let's dive right into the details. Pacifica's Vegan Collagen Cuticle Balm is packed with skin-loving ingredients like vegan collagen, coconut oil, sunflower oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. These are all known for their moisturizing and healing properties, perfect for restoring moisture to those parched nails and cuticles. What's even better? The formula is free from harsh chemicals like parabens, phthalates, and SLS, which means you're treating your nails to something that's gentle, effective, and safe. Now let's talk about the experience. I've been using this cuticle balm for a few weeks now, applying it daily, and I can tell you it's been a game changer. The balm has a soft, creamy texture that melts into the skin, making it incredibly easy to apply. Whether you're using it in the morning, before bed, or after a hand wash, it's quickly absorbed without leaving any greasy residue behind. I really like how it softens the cuticles, making them more manageable and healthier looking. As for my nails, I've noticed they feel smoother and stronger, almost as if they've been revitalized. I've been using it on my nails after removing polish, and the difference is visible within just a few days. The packaging is another win. It's housed in a 100% glass jar, which feels luxe and sustainable. This not only makes it a more eco-friendly choice, reducing plastic waste, but it also gives the product an elevated premium feel. The 0.3 phthalates jar is compact and easy to toss into your bag for on-the-go use, making it incredibly convenient. But let's keep it real. While this balm delivers great moisture, it does take a little time to see drastic improvements in nail repair, especially if your nails are extremely damaged. If you're someone who's looking for a fast-track repair, you might need to combine this with other treatments. Also, if you have extremely sensitive skin, the richness of ingredients like coconut oil could be something to watch out for. A patch test is always a good idea if you're prone to sensitivities. So, let's talk about value for money. Pacifica's Vegan Collagen Cuticle Balm is priced at a premium, but considering the high-quality ingredients and eco-conscious packaging, it's worth it if you're looking for a vegan, cruelty-free option. The jar will likely last you a good while, since a little goes a long way. However, if you're on a budget or just looking for something more affordable, there are other cuticle balms that provide similar hydration, but may not have the vegan collagen or eco-friendly packaging. As for longevity, I've been using this balm for a few weeks now, and I can say that the effectiveness of the balm has held up well with daily use. It doesn't lose its texture or become less effective over time, which speaks to its build quality. Customer service from Pacifica has been solid too. While I haven't had any direct interactions, their reputation for being a friendly and responsive brand is well known, and they stand behind their products. So, if you were ever to encounter an issue, you can likely expect a swift response. If you're in the market for an alternative, you might find something that costs less, but you may have to compromise on the vegan and cruelty-free benefits. However, if you want something that aligns with your values while providing solid cuticle care, this is definitely a strong contender. Wrapping things up, Pacifica's Vegan Collagen Cuticle Balm delivers on its promise of moisturizing and softening nails and cuticles with high-quality ingredients. The eco-friendly packaging and vegan formula make it a standout choice for conscious consumers, though the price might not be for everyone. If you're someone who wants to invest in a nourishing, hydrating balm that's gentle on both your skin and the planet, this could be a great fit for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.